Want to get some fast, free forum traffic? Well, I'm going to show you how in this video. Now, forum traffic has several advantages. First of all, it's targeted because only people who are interested in your niche are going to go to the forum and read the posts and see your link. It's authority traffic, and it provides you with a backlink which can help with SEO, or search engine optimization. Now let me give you an example of this in action. I've come here to the Warrior Forum, which is warriorforum.com, and this is a forum for internet marketing. And you can see, as I scroll down, that lots of people have got clickable links in their signature file. Down a bit further, you can see all these different people. Some just had the link, some have other stuff written next to it here, and so on. Let me go a bit further down. You can see lots of different people here. And so on. And some have different typefaces and that sort of thing to make it stand out better. And also, like if you look at this guy here, he's also got, this isn't a clickable link, but he's got a copy and paste link to his site here. And if I click on his profile here, and then go through to where it says contact info, you can see also there's a link to his homepage. So he's got several incoming links to different websites from this particular forum site. So there are several options for him to get traffic from this particular site. Now, some forum sites insist that you be a member for a certain length of time, have a certain number of posts, or that you be a fully paid up member before you can have a clickable link in your SIG. But it is worth doing. Now, here's a few tips when it comes to getting traffic via forum. First of all, you want to post something useful. Post some useful information and get some likes before adding your SIG. And don't make your SIG look like an advertisement. Lots of people say you should make it look like a want ad, but quite frankly, that just simply puts people off. And there must be some gain to the reader for clicking on your SIG. That could be satisfied curiosity, or it could be a giveaway. Both those tactics work. And of course, you should always check the forum rules when it comes to signature files, because they do vary from forum to forum, and if you fall foul of them, you might find yourself banned from the forum. And don't expect a lot of traffic from forums, but the forum traffic that you get will be very beneficial and it will be targeted. So there you go. A brief overview to getting fast, free forum traffic.